Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi to everybody. I am Madam Noliza Fikri Ramli. Will explain to you about the chapter 4, Zero Cost Marketing. Okay, so I hope you will stay with me until the end of this session. So okay guys, we want to know what is our objective lesson today. So number one, so hopefully you can define what is a zero cost marketing concept. Number two, you also can list out the 3 strategies in zero cost of the marketing. And number three, you will explain about 3 examples of a zero cost marketing strategy. So that's all you will learn from this video. Alright, so here is the concept of a zero cost strategy. Now we want to know actually what is actually the zero cost strategy. Now if you refer to this slide, the term of zero cost strategy refers to a trading or business decision that does not entail any expense to execute. Alright, a zero cost strategy costs a business or the individual nothing while improving operation, making process more efficient, and or serving to reduce future expenses. So it means what? It means you try to promote. Okay, you try to promote your business. Okay, you decide to promote your business without any expenses. So this is the concept. Okay, now we want to learn about what is actually the definition of the zero cost marketing. So you can look at the slide. Zero cost marketing is where the activities designed to promote a business, product or service are undertaken but not actually cost anything. So this is the keyword, do not actually cost anything. So it offers small businesses a chance to spread the words about their business without the risk and that a cost will not be recovered. Alright, so this is the concept. Okay guys, example of zero cost marketing, which is common strategy that zero cost marketer basically use, is a guest blogging. Whereas you have a blog published on another site, again the external cost is often zero, but the time to find, pitch, write, edit, and then promote the guest post has to be considered. So many of the activities promote as zero cost marketing strategy are useful because they are focused. Okay, they focus on the communication channels, whereas the consumers and decision makers like to spend their time and are engaging. So for furthermore, if you can see the way of this guest blogging, you can ask your lecturer. Okay. Okay guys, so here you can look at the slide. So I want to show to everybody, this is the strategies of the zero cost marketing. So here we have around 8 points, right? That's which is social media, YouTube, guest blogging, blog commenting, online community, get into articles, search engine optimization, SEO, and email marketing. But in this video, I will explain about around 3 common strategies. So I think to get more information, more example specific on this method, you can ask your lecturer for further information. Okay guys, so you can look at the slide. So here is example, the method or the technique that you will use in a zero cost marketing strategy by using the social media. So maybe you can use FB, IG, Twitter, or the other social media. So the first, look at the slide, is teaser product posting. So this is basically the example, okay, that you try to make the engagement, okay, with your audience. So maybe you can make a teaser post. So it's a good strategy because of you try to make sure that your audience alert what you try to sell, okay, what you try to promote in your social media. So number 2 is a share posting to the others FB group. So my recommendation to everybody, all right, to you all, is you try to find what is a FB group that very segmented to your product. Alright, example that you try to promote the teenagers product, okay, the teenagers product. So maybe you can follow the specific FB group and then try to share with this group the informations, okay, the informations about your product. Number 3, you can tag your friends, and here is free for everybody. Alright, you you also can posting a daily 7 to 8 posting. Alright, but if you go to the research, I think for the others coach, they will recommend about 10 posting daily. And you also can posting for engagement. Maybe for example, you can post the funny video and ask your audience, okay, what do you think about this funny video, for example. So this is the way, the method that we try to use the zero cost marketing, okay, by using the social media. Okay guys, look at the slide. So here is, I want to share to everybody what actually the advantages by using social media. Okay, look at the slide. 72% of the consumer trust online review as much as personal recommendation from real people. So the zero cost marketing technique is, maybe you can put the review of your customer that they buy your product and they'll be satisfied with your product because of, here from the research, 72%. Okay, trust with this review. Okay, number two, look at the slide. 68% of the consumer go to social networking site to read product reviews. So this is the way, okay, the zero cost marketing concept, okay, that will give the benefits to the company if you try to share. All right, try to share what is the review from your customer. And look at number three, 90% of your consumers say that positive online review influence their buy decision making. So look at here, this is a very, very high percentage, 90%. Okay, consumer will follow you if you come up with the review in positively. So I think this is the method, this is the technique that you can use, and you also can get the benefit and the advantages by using the social media of zero cost marketing strategy. Okay guys, look at the slide. So from this slide, I will show to everybody what is the benefit of the zero cost marketing by using YouTube. Okay, I think you can Google how you can use YouTube with the zero cost marketing strategy. For example, you can record your customer review that use of your product. So this customer satisfied with your product, so you can record the video. So after that, maybe you can upload the video by using the YouTube. Maybe firstly you have the account of YouTube first. Okay, so to get more engagement, to get more, more audience, okay, will see about the benefit of your product. So I think this is the way that you can use of the zero cost marketing by using YouTube. Because of today, you can see at the Google a lot of way the recommendation. Okay, the recommendation by using of the video. Okay, now you can look at the slide. YouTube actually will come as second largest. Okay, second largest all of the customers around the world. Okay guys, look at the slide. This is a zero cost marketing by using guest blogging. Now we look at the definition first. So the guest blogging is a content marketing and SEO technique where someone writes and publish a blog post on a third-party website or blog to promote their personal or corporate brand. So guest blogging sites expose brand to a relevant audience and can be an effective method to generate awareness, but it must be done carefully to avoid a Google penalty. So this is the way, okay, for the guest blogging, that we try to make sure the content, okay, the content of the website, okay, the content of the website is very significant, okay, very significant with the keywords in SEO. So basically it will increase, okay, increase the organic search to your website. Okay, and for further guest blogging, I think you can ask your lecturer for further example and information. Okay guys, look at the slide. This is one of the strategies that you can use in zero cost marketing by using search engine optimization, SEO. So I think this topic you have learned in a chapter 2. Alright, now look at this slide. SEO is a process of fully optimizing the first page of a search engine to maximize the visibility of your brand. So you can use SEO to fight the increase of zero-click searches. So means what? Means that you use a very good keywords. Okay, good keyword. For example, maybe you try to promote ubat kurus berkesan, for example. Alright, this is one of the keywords, alright, that you put in maybe in your website or maybe in your FB or in your IG. So this keyword, if the audience try to search ubat kurus berkesan, alright, so automatically, alright, the organic search will first landing, it will search your website or your FB or IG. Alright, so this is the way of we try to use a zero marketing by using SEO. Means you choose a best keyword and these keywords meets with the organic search, or these keywords meets the consumer, okay, the consumer, I mean the consumer searching. So this is the way how we can maximize the zero cost marketing by using the SEO. And for furthermore, for the more information, I think we will ask your lecturer, okay, to get more specific example on this. Okay guys, look at the slide. So this one is the technique that the zero cost marketing using the organic search engine. Now we are talking about what is the keywords. Okay, what is the keywords that the consumer try to use, and they put these keywords in the Google, and the Google will help you to go the best landing page. Alright, now look at the slide. 19.3% of the clicks go to the first organic desktop listing. So that's why I said that you have to choose the best keywords, because the best keywords will bring this consumer to your landing page, okay, to your website or to your FB. Okay, and look at the slide. 61% of marketers say growing their organic presence and improving SEO and their top inbound marketing priority. Okay, so this is the benefit. If you use good keywords, it will help the consumer go to your website, go to your social media, for example. Okay, 55% of marketers view blog content creation as top of their inbound marketing priority. So you look at this one, it shows that the blog content, so it must be important when you use copywriting, or maybe you write the information about your product. It's very important that you use the best keywords, the best clue to show that what is you try to sell, what you try to promote. All right, so this content will match of the consumer searches. Okay, and 50%, look at the slide, 50% of the search queries content forwards or longer. So this is the tips. Alright, maybe you can put forwards. Okay, ubat kurus berkesan terbaik, for example. So it will will match with your consumer research. So I think this is the technique. This is the way of the zero cost marketing using the organic search engine that you all can use in try to promote your business, okay, in zero cost marketing. Okay guys, after you watch this video, the reflection after you watch this video lesson, number one, I hope please consult your lecturer for more additional info and understanding, because I just give you a mass lecture. So to get more understanding in specific example and get more information, ask your lecturer. And number two, zero cost marketing concept means you can apply any idea of promoting, advertising, and marketing your product. As long as it's free and no additional cost, you can use it. So means what? To be a good entrepreneur, to be a good businessman, I think you can use any idea. Okay, any idea to be creative, because of the important in zero cost marketing is no cost. Okay, if you have an idea and this idea without cost, you can use it. Okay, and for your tutorial class, I hope you can post more posting for your exercise in learning and become more expert. Because of what? When you try to post and you try to do a copywriting, okay, it shows that you keep try, you become expert. So if you want to very serious in this, in this business, in to be a good entrepreneur, for example, or to get more sales, for example, you have to keep posting. All right. So that's all for the reflection today. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video for lesson. So I am Madam Noliza binti Ramli from KPM Sri Iskandar.